The Nyarwanda Development Association in Uganda continues to push for their recognition as a tribe in Uganda. They claim a failure to be recognized as a tribe or citizen has deprived them of accessing government services like passports, national identification cards, and jobs. Even after meeting President Museveni on Tuesday this week, the answers by the president has not satisfied the Nyarwanda-speaking people.
We categorically reject the executive orders issued by the government, which unjust classifies Kinyarwanda-speaking Ugandans, with the exception of those from Mpororo, Kisoro, and Tungamo, as non-Ugandans by birth. This declaration not only marginalizes over 6 million Ugandans, but also undermines the principle of nationality enshrined in international laws.
Former East African legislator Mukasambide is the lawyer for the Nyarwanda-speaking people and is threatening to take government of Uganda to the East African court for denying them citizenship by birth.
That the 1995 Constitution, particularly Article 10, was a violation of the legal standard on citizenship of Ugandans by birth, as set out in the British Protected Persons Order that was gazetted on 18th May 1934. This is the order. This is the only basis for citizenship by birth in Uganda. This is the order. I gave a full copy of this memorandum to His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda. By this order, if you were born in Uganda, you were a citizen of Uganda. It was a cancellation of citizenship, for which we are ready to go to court, for which we are ready to continue dialoguing.
While addressing the media in Kampala, the chairperson Rwanda-speaking people and their lawyer Mbide says it is unfair for the president to reject their plea to be officially recognized because most Rwandese were born in Uganda and they amount to 6 million people.
The implications of this executive order are grave, rendering millions of Ugandans stateless and violating the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which upholds the right to nationality. We urge the government to reconsider this decision in light of its far-reaching consequences for our community and the nation at large.
The Ugandan Constitution 1962, they are all a very clear basis that when you are born in Uganda, you should be a Ugandan by birth. Nobody has a right, not even the president of Uganda, to declare a person born in Uganda a non-Ugandan. That was contrary to the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, the African Charter on Human and People's Rights, and even the African Union Protocol against statelessness, to which all our signatures are embedded as the Republic of Uganda.
The president is set to issue an executive order concerning the citizenship of the Nyarwanda-speaking people this week. The outcome will determine the fate of their status in Uganda. Philip Aguta for UBC News in Kampala.